Welcome to the Midlife Style School, the podcast for women who want to elevate their personal style and life by design. I'm your hostess, Afton Porter, certified life coach and fashion stylist, known as the Chief Image Creator, helping high-profile women polish their image with standout style in their industry. Through our conversations and insight, I'll provide simple tricks and practices that will help take the stress out of getting dressed in the morning so you can start each day feeling empowered, confident, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Let's go.
Hey, are you looking to elevate your online presence in 2024? In a world where anyone can start posting pictures saying that they're doing the same thing as you, it is more important than ever that you are showing up for yourself and your business and showcasing your expertise in your field. You want to stand out in your industry, you're going to have to create the image that is necessary, that's going to align with your ideal clients. I help entrepreneurs, real estate agents, and top executives create beautiful online presence that's going to help you showcase your expertise in your industry. In 2024, our attention spans have gone way down. It used to be that you had 7 seconds to make the impression that you desire to a potential client or a friend, anyone that you're interested in dating, right? Like you had 7 seconds to make that first impression. Then it went down to 3 seconds. Now, in 2024, as we are bombarded with so many people, things thrown in our faces, you have less than a second, according to the latest data, to make a great impression. And the more time that they spend with you, it just reinforces their initial impression that you gave them. What I mean by that is it doesn't change based on more time. So if you think, oh, they just need to get to know me. No, our minds are wired in a way that it looks for things to make them right. So if they believed that you would be fabulous for them, that they want to hire you, the more that they talk to you, they're just going to reinforce that, right? And the opposite is also true. If they think, they're not really for me, the more time that they spend with you is only going to reinforce that. So what I do with my clients is in the Iconic Women Mastermind, we're going to go through one of my 4 phases of iconic style. So I have come up with my own process that I have discovered from working with hundreds of women, helping them and coaching them to come up and design their personal style. If you try to skip one of these phases, it's only going to be more frustrating. Each phase build on each other. And it's like if you were going to try to do calculus and you don't have a strong addition and subtraction, right? Addition and subtraction is the foundation of all math. And if you don't have that right, you're really going to struggle by trying to skip, going into algebra and calculus without really learning those foundations of math. The same is true with style. And so many women are like, I don't understand why this is so hard because, I'm trying to put an outfit together for a photo shoot and it's just not working for me. If you don't have your foundations of style solid and ready to go, you're not going to be able to create a photo shoot outfit that you're going to look your best in. So the foundation of personal style is one color. Knowing the right colors that you wear are not only necessary, but you can't go on without knowing your best colors. It will keep you stuck in a style rut and confused if you don't have a solid foundation of that. So your best colors is part of the foundation of your personal style. Knowing what those are. And not just neutrals, ladies. I know you got your neutrals downs, blacks, whites, navies, like which ones of those you personally like to wear. But if you want to add that sense of style to your outfits, to your online presence, you really are going to need to wear more than just a neutral, okay? You got to know what prints are going to look best on you, what colors are going to look best on you to really pop in those photographs. Number 2, you need to know your silhouettes. What clothes, cuts do you like to wear best? What types of pants, what types of shirts? So many women say, I don't know what clothes look best on me. What are the most flattering? Well, the way that you know that is you get your body type analysis. And ladies, your body is not the shape of a fruit, banana, apple, nor rectangles, triangles, all those things. Your body is the shape of a woman, and they are unique for everyone. So when I don't relate your body to a fruit or a shape, I just don't. You're going to need to know how to style your tops and your bottoms and to look cohesive from head to toe. And knowing the silhouettes that are best for you is key to your personal style. And also hair, makeup, and beauty. Number 3, knowing what colors of makeup, color your hair should be, and what colors you're going to wear according to that. So those key things are part of your foundations of style. In the Iconic Women Mastermind, we are going to go through all of those foundations. You're going to learn your best colors. You're going to learn the best silhouettes for your body shape. And you're going to know how to present your hair and your makeup in a way that's going to align with your ideal clients, because we want to make sure that you are putting your best foot forward. The reason why this is so important, that it matters what you wear, is because your brain changes by what you wear. And there is science that backs it up. It's called enclothed cognition. And when you are wearing clothes that your brain knows that you look fabulous in, you're going to show up in your life with effortlessness and ease. But when you're wearing clothes that you are uncertain how you look, then it's going to do the opposite, right? Your brain is going to be distracted. It's going to be constantly thinking about and worrying about the clothes that you are wearing. So it's super important that you feel confident and you have the competence to know what those things are so that you can show up super powerful in your life and your business. Now, of course, these foundations of style, you need to know whether you're online or in person. But in addition to your colors, your silhouettes, and the beauty aspect, we're going to dive into taking photos with your camera. Now, I recommend that you take professional photos every year for your website that you can include in your marketing materials, website, social media. However, so many of us are wanting to connect with our audiences. We're wanting to interact with them on a regular basis. And having photos taken from photo shoots and mixing them up and keeping it real and live and authentic, you're going to want to take pictures of what's going on in your real life, right? Like what's going on currently. And in order for you to do that, you'll want to take advantage of these high-tech devices that everybody is keeping in their pockets and taking professional-like photos from your phone. So that is going to be a fun thing that we're incorporating into really diving into your personal style and creating that iconic style for your personal brand. And look, you have a personal brand if you own a business, if you are the face of your business, if you are an entrepreneur, a real estate agent, even if you are a high profile woman where you are being seen, whether you're an author, speaker, newscaster, if you're being seen. Also, if you ever plan on changing jobs or trying to get a promotion, it's so much more easier if you have an established personal brand for what you do in your industry, if you are building relationships online. So I highly encourage you to not be afraid, to have the courage to step out and be willing and have the confidence to be the face of your personal brand. Whether you have your own business or you're an entrepreneur working for another business where you're like, I'm going to showcase my authority in my industry online. And in order to do that, I want to start off with a fabulous and confident personal brand image. And this Iconic Women Mastermind is for you. It is live. They are being recorded. If you can't be there live, I highly recommend that you attend live, but I understand that you have other things going on. You might have an important business meeting. On vacation, you might get sick, right? So the meetings are being recorded. What is inside the Iconic Women Mastermind? It's 6 weeks. And lesson 1 is your color confidence. You're going to get a color analysis. Normally, my color analysis are $250. The whole Iconic Women Mastermind is $297. You get a color analysis, which is going to tell you what colors look best on you. You're not going to have to guess. You don't have to wonder, is this really one that looks great on me? You're going to know without a shadow of a doubt which colors are best. So you get your color analysis and also a lesson on headshots. So whether you're having these professionally done or you're going to take them on your phone, you get a 90-minute lesson on color analysis and headshots. The following week, week 2, is implementation week. You're going to get your color analysis and start using it in the way that I describe in lesson 1. We're going to have an office hour where you get to come on and ask any questions, get feedback from what you've been working on. It gives you some time to submit your homework. The homework's not going to be hard, but it is going to be, an example would be, hey, use the color analysis, put an outfit together, take a photo, post it on social media. Okay, that's an example of what your homework would be for week 1 and 2. All right, now week 3 is when we go into body type analysis and really diving in for your specific body, which styles are going to be best for you. You will not have to wonder, wide leg, too wide, should it be more narrow? What kind of top should I wear with this? Like, even just knowing these foundational things are going to help you go into your closet and be like, okay, I can put this and this together. I've never thought about putting that together, but now I have a brand new outfit in my closet that I get to wear. This is the type of things that are going to be ahas for you inside the mastermind. Okay, so week 3 is the body clothes. We're going to do that for 90 minutes. You're going to do some training on that. And then we're also going to talk about taking full body photos, how to take, how to style, how to position, how to pose for a full body shot with your phone. Week 4, again, we'll have an implementation week. Office hours, well, you get to come, get feedback, ask your questions. Does this look okay? What should I do differently? How could I have posed this differently? How is this lighting? What could I have done? That's what we're going to go through, right? You'll have your homework due and you'll have some photos, right? You'll have your headshot and then you'll also have your full body photos that you'll be able to start using on Instagram and on your social media, right? To start showcasing your authority. Now, week 5 is lesson 3. It's beauty and camera confidence. We're going to go over hair color, hairstyles, makeup, and answer your questions on what type of makeup colors you should be wearing. It's all about really feeling confident and beautiful so that there's no question about that that's holding you back. And there's going to be some coaching. We'll have your lesson. And then again, week 6 is implementation week. You're going to implement all the things and then have office hours where you could ask questions, have your homework done, and get some feedback for what you're creating. And then at the end of week 6, you will graduate from phase 1 of the 4 phases of iconic style. We start on Wednesday, this Wednesday. So there's a limited time to get inside. There is a link that will allow you to go to join, and that will share more of what is to come, what to expect, who this is for. So if you have any questions, you can go on there, or you can book a call with me. If you would like to hop on a call and get your questions answered, feel free to reach out, send me a DM, email me at team@styleguidesociety.com, and we will get you booked before this Wednesday. We'll hop on a quick call and get all your questions answered so you could decide if this is for you or not. That would be the goal of the call. I know I just did a big dive on really helping you elevate your style. What are some things that you need for that? And how can we do that as quickly and effortlessly as possible? In 6 weeks, you will have a solid foundation for your personal style, offline and online, and creating simple, beautiful, professional looking photos from your phone. All right. Until next week, think like a style icon. Bye-bye.